dito. Pero syempre, kung nabunot na kayo dito sa mga earlier dates, hindi nyo na kailangan gamitin pa dun sa mga later dates. So dito na nga tayo guys sa prices, and ayan, nakalagay 10 winners ang pipiliin, tapos each package is good for 2 packs, the winner and 1 companion, and it contains the following. Nakalagay a pair of event tickets to the BTS World Tour Arirang concert in the Philippines on March 13, 2027 in Philippine Sports Stadium, Bulacan. So day 1. Tapos ito rin yung kagandahan dito sa raffle na ginagawa ni GCash kasi meron ding accommodations for 2 na pwede nyo mapanalunan and hotel transfer to and from the event proper. So itong table na to guys I found interesting kasi para may breakdown kagaya dito sa taas, sabi accommodations, 10 winners nga, di ba? Pati itong event tickets, 10 winners. Tapos yung sa accommodation, ang valuation nila per price is 10,000 pesos. That's good for 2, for 1 room I'm assuming. Tapos dito naman sa tickets, 60,000 pesos daw per winner. And again, ang isang winner nga, 2 tickets. So, 30,000 per person. So, SVIP with sound check ba ang pamimigay na ticket? Again guys, if you want to learn more and kung gusto nyong bumuo ng sarili nyong opinion about this, basahin nyo na lang sa GCash app. Tapos guys, itong mga deadline of confirmation from winner, importante to guys. Kasi kapag hindi kayo nakapag-confirm or kung yung winner ay hindi makapag-confirm by this date, pipili ng bagong winner. So in all fairness, in my opinion, maganda yung pagkakaset up nila nitong raffle na to. Although kung iisipin natin sa milyon-milyong users ng GCash, parang ang liit lang nung 10 winners. So nakikiusap lang rin ako doon sa may mga tickets na give chance to others naman. I doubt kasi na ma-filter pa nila yung mga GCash users na meron na ring tickets for the concert. Kaya naman nanigurado na rin kami ni Paul. We both ordered 1 card each for more chances of winning. So to my fellow team sa We, just keep swimming. Good luck!